guys, it's Kerry and I am back again today with Jonathan. Yay! We've got some more festive fun for you. We've got another Christmas party dance. We do this every year at Kerry On Dancing. It's a nice, easy dance for everybody to learn. It's called a barn dance, so you may well already know it, but we dance it to Jingle Bell Rock by Brenda Lee. Okay, there will be a second video which I will attach, which will have me and Jonathan dancing it to music. So if you want to join in with the music, that will be there for you. But right now, we're going to do the tutorial for you. And to make it easy, we're going to have our backs to you. So you can literally follow step by step. So we're going to start with the foot that's furthest away from our partner. And we're going to do 3 walks forward and a kick. So we get, and 1, 2, 3, and kick. Now the foot that's kicked, we're going to use that to start our 3 walks back and a tap. So we get 1, 2, 3, and tap. Brilliant. We're going to move away from each other, side, close, side, and tap. So side, close, side, and tap. And then we come back together, side, close, side. And when we do the tap, we turn to face each other there. All right. Cooey. All right. So let's go back to the beginning. Foot furthest away from your partner, and we get 1, 2, 3, and kick, back, 2, 3, and tap, out to the side and tap, back together and tap, and face each other. We're then going to move along to the leader's left and to the follower's right. We're going to do side, close, side, and tap. So we get side, close, side, and tap, and then we come back the way we've just been, side, close, side, and tap. The leader is now going to do exactly the same while the follower does a 3-step turn underneath the leader's arm. So we get 1, 2, 3, and tap, and then we turn coming back, 1, 2, 3, and tap. Okay, so if we just do that last little section again when we move down and back, and then the underarm turn, we get side together, side and tap, side together, side and tap. Turn your partner under, and then you turn them back. Fab. We'll do that as well, Jonathan, facing this way so they can copy. All right, so we get, and side together, side and tap, side together, side and tap. Turn your partner under, and then you turn them back. Boom. And from there, we'd be all ready to start again. So if we go back to face this way, we'll do the whole lot from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and kick, back, 2, 3, and tap. Away from your partner, and then you come back. Side together, side and tap, side together, side and tap. You turn your partner under, and then you turn them back. You start again, 2, 3, and kick, and back, 2, 3, and tap. There you go. Fabulous. Good work, Jonathan. So that is the barn dance. That's quite well known. Loads of people would be dancing that. So you can join in with us in the next video, which the link will be here to follow and do it to the music. Have a good Christmas. Bye.